Hi, I'm going to show you a great way for you to actually streamline the documents you send in your emails. A lot of you send emails every day with attachments in them, like for instance this Excel spreadsheet. This test Excel spreadsheet has an image in it. Now the more things you have inside the documents you send, the larger the documents are. Let's take a look. This one has just a simple picture, background picture, and this is to test document for PDFs, which help you reduce document size without reducing what's inside them. A great example would be this Excel spreadsheet. Well, when we save it, let's look at the size of this document. The size of the document is roughly 1.12 megabytes, and that's pretty big. But if we can print it to a PDF, which is what I'm doing now, and all you do is select print, and then use your normal PDF printer. Some of you it's Primo PDF, some of it is a different program. But when we create that PDF, we go to our desktop where we wanted it printed. Here it is now. We compare the size, and it's only 42 kilobytes. That's actually, if you remember, 1 megabyte equals 1024 kilobytes. That's about 27% of the original size. That's a really big difference. And you're thinking, well, what does it matter to me? If you're sending emails, let's say for instance you're sending a test email, and you include the document that we just put in as a spreadsheet, that's a 1 meg attachment. But if you're going to include it as a PDF, then all of a sudden it's 42 kilobytes. And you're thinking, well, what's the difference there? Well, as we go through the year, and as you send more and more emails, the size of those emails adds up quickly, as you can see in my inbox. All of a sudden, we get larger and larger and larger messages, from kilobytes to bytes. But if you want to increase them all the way up, you can get into the meg range, like for instance these two emails here. Now these are very large emails. Anything over about a meg or meg and a half is pretty large if you look at some of the photos and stuff like that. And I understand if you have to send photos to people outside the building, it's a good idea to go ahead and attach them and email them. But if you're sharing them with folks inside the building, remember you can always put them on a shared drive and send them a link to those files as well. Also, as you start cleaning things out for 2013, hopefully you'd go through and sort by size first and ditch or move those files over to your personal folders as well in your email. As you find out, some people's emails, not like Outlook, but some people like Gmail or perhaps Yahoo Mail have size file requirements. Not to mention the fact that if you do send them a PDF, let's take a look at what it looks like. It looks exactly like the Excel spreadsheet with this difference. They can't edit a darn thing if you send it via PDF. So that's another great reason to go ahead and use the PDF format, or file format, to send documents to folks. And you'll still have your original there. That way you can edit it and send it back, and it maintains everything the same. Give a PDF a go when you get a chance and see what you think, and see if you can't reduce some of that file size in your email.